everyone. This is your friend Elsa. Today I am going to read the story Cat's Painting. I hope you like it, so let's start. Cat's Painting. Author name is Jan Bridget and Sarah Vogler. Cat's Painting. First of all, a story, character names. Cat. Knock. Miss Jones. Cat was painting. She had just painted a tree. Can I have to finish it? Knock said, jumping from the pot. You might spoil it, said Cat. No, I will not, he said. Knock painted at the paintbrush. Power shot from his hand. The brush stood up. It started to zigzag across the painting. Stop it, Knock, she said, grabbing the brush. Knock went to the red paint. Cat shrank and ran after him. Knock ran across the painting. He left a trail of footprints. Then Knock slid in the wet paint. He hit the paint pots and they fell. Look at this mess, said Cat. I need to clear up. Knock felt bad. Look at this painting, said Miss Jones. It's so good. See, said Knock. With a grin, I did help. Thank you, friends. If you liked my story, subscribe my channel and like my videos. Bye-bye.